You rush because you are afraid that if you stop, you will lose control. I do not rush because I understand something you do not. Control is not speed, control is timing. I am Vishnu, preserver of order, guardian of balance, and I never move in panic. When your mind feels urgency, it is not intelligence speaking, it is fear. Fear says, act now or suffer later. I say, observe now, act once. Urgent minds create permanent mistakes. Calm minds create irreversible change. This is why I wait. You think silence means inaction. It does not. Silence is analysis without emotion. I watch patterns, not events. Events confuse humans. Patterns reveal truth. You react to one betrayal. I wait to see if betrayal is the system. Only then do I move. You ask me, if you are watching, why don't you stop the fall? Because premature rescue creates dependency. If I save you too early, you will repeat the same mistake again. Pain matures perception, and until perception matures, intervention is wasted. I do not remove lessons, I complete them. Your experience delay as rejection. I use delay as preparation. What you ask for too early would crush the version of you that exists now. Power without stability creates destruction. Love without self-knowledge creates addiction. Success without discipline creates emptiness. So I wait. You chase results. I align conditions. Results are surface level. Conditions are root level. When conditions align, results arrive on their own. Chasing outcomes exhausts the mind. Aligning conditions quiets it. That is why I am calm. Evil does not destroy itself through force. It destroys itself through exposure. If I stop adharma early, humans will protect it. When I wait, adharma reveals its true face. And once truth is visible, no sword is needed. Understanding itself becomes the weapon. As Krishna, I did not speak the Gita at the beginning of the war. Understand this carefully. The Gita is not philosophy. It is timing crystallized into words. If I had spoken it when Arjuna was confident, it would have sounded like theory. If I had spoken it when Arjuna was angry, it would have sounded like manipulation. So I waited. I waited until Arjuna stood between two armies. Weapons ready, identity collapsing, future uncertain, past meaningless. Only when his hands trembled, only when his mind surrendered, only when ego dissolved into confusion, the Gita was born, not from my mouth, but from his readiness. Wisdom does not descend randomly. It forms when resistance dies. That moment of breakdown was not weakness, it was the perfect psychological opening. That is why the Gita still lives, because it was spoken at the exact moment a human mind becomes teachable. And this is why I never rush. You rush love because silence scares you. You mistake intensity for alignment. I wait for emotional stability. Attachment formed in urgency turns into suffering. Connection formed in clarity turns into devotion. This is why I never force bonds. You see me lying on chestnut and think I am resting. I am not resting. I am unreactive. Reactivity drains intelligence. Stillness sharpens it. The universe does not need my anxiety. It responds to my certainty. You rush because you believe if I don't interfere, things will collapse. That belief itself is the collapse. True control is knowing when not to interfere. I do not dominate time. I cooperate with it. Time is my ally. I do not appear, often because presence without necessity weakens authority. When I arrive, change is unavoidable. Scarcity creates impact. Constant availability creates disrespect. This applies to your life as well. Your anxiety asks, when will this end? My patience asks, what must finish first? Nothing ends randomly. Everything completes its cycle. Until then, resistance only creates suffering. If you want my calm, slow your reactions, delay your responses, observe emotional patterns, act only when clarity is irreversible. One aligned action is more powerful than 100 rushed ones. I never rush, not because I'm slow, but because I'm certain. Certainty does not hurry, fear does. When you stop rushing, life begins to cooperate. Until then, time will teach you what patience would have spared. I am Vishnu, and timing is my greatest weapon.